Hunter Biden has reached an agreement to plead guilty to 2 misdemeanor counts of tax evasion and 1 federal gun violation. According to the Department of Justice (DOJ), the charges stem from a multi-year investigation into his tax matters, which has significant implications for President Joe Biden's re-election campaign and his interactions with congressional Republicans. U.S. Attorney David Weiss submitted a letter to federal court on Monday, outlining the charges and the plea agreement. One set of charges accuses Biden of willfully failing to pay federal income tax, while the other involves his unlawful possession of a Colt Cobra 38 SPL revolver, despite being addicted to drugs. As part of the agreement, Biden will enter a pretrial diversion program for the firearm offense. Weiss has requested the court to schedule a date for the formal processing of the plea agreements. The investigation initially focused on taxes related to Hunter Biden's overseas business deals, particularly his involvement in Ukraine and China, which attracted federal scrutiny starting in 2018. Biden's attorney, Christopher Clark, stated that the plea agreements would resolve the 5-year investigation. Clark emphasized that Hunter Biden takes responsibility for the misdemeanor tax violations, acknowledging his mistakes during a period of personal turmoil and addiction. He expressed Biden's commitment to his recovery and moving forward. Hunter Biden publicly disclosed the existence of the inquiry in December 2020. The White House has stated that President Biden has not discussed the investigation with Attorney General Merrick Garland or the Justice Department. The President and First Lady continue to support their son, recognizing his efforts to rebuild his life. The White House spokesperson, Ian Sams, issued a statement indicating that there would be no further comments on the matter. The case holds political significance, as former President Donald Trump and congressional Republicans have criticized Hunter Biden, seeing him as a potential negative influence on his father. It is worth noting that Trump appointed U.S. Attorney David Weiss, and there have been allegations that IRS agents involved in the investigation were removed. In a separate matter, Hunter Biden has filed a lawsuit against a laptop repairman, accusing him of sharing private personal information with Trump supporters and journalists.